Welcome to Ordering Fractions and Decimals, 5th grade Maths, Standards of Learning. Let's start with ordering fractions. And the two steps, when ordering fractions, we're going to use equivalent fractions to create common denominators, and then we order using the numerators. So here we have fractions with different denominators. So we have to bring them to the same denominator. So here we have 100 is the highest denominator. So let's bring everything to 100. How many times can 4 go into 100? That's 25 times. So we're going to multiply by 25. Multiply by 25, multiply by 25, and we will get 25 over 100. A half. How many times can 2 go into 100? And that is 50 times. So we multiply by 50. 50 times 1, 50. 50 times 2, 100. How many times can 5 go into 100? And that is 20 times. So we multiply by 20. Multiply by 20. 20 times 3, 60 over 100. 5 times 20, 100. And we have 37 over 100. So we just put that down just the way it is. Now we have all the fractions in the same denominator. We can go ahead and order from least to greatest. So the least is 25 over 100. So a quarter, so that is equal to, okay, so least to greatest, a quarter, which is 25 over 100. So I'm going to put a quarter. And then next, 37 over 100. Next, 50 over 100, which is a half. And we have 60 over 100, which is 3/5. So to order fractions, we bring them to the same denominator, and then we order accordingly. So it's from least to greatest, a quarter, 37 over 100, a half, and 3/5. Okay, so let's move now to ordering decimals. When we're ordering decimals, we're going to write the decimal numbers in the same place value, and then we order the numbers. So we're going to write them in the same place value. So here we have hundredth, tenth, and hundredth. So let's write all of them as hundredth. 2500, so we need to put a placeholder 0 at the end right here. Remember, when we put a 0 at the end of a fraction, When a 0 is the last digit, it does not change the value. So I'm going to put a placeholder 0 right there. And we also need to put a placeholder 0 right here. So now we have 0.25, 0.50, 0.60, and 0.37. And we're going to order these numbers from greatest to least. So from greatest to least, greatest to least, greatest 0.60, which is 0.6. So we're going to put 0.6. I remember we're ordering the original number. Next, 0.5, 0.5. Next, 0.37. And 0.25. So there we have it from greatest, 60 out of 100, then 50, then 37, and then 25. Now we have a mixture of fractions and decimal, and we're going to order these numbers. So when we have a mixture of decimals and fractions, we can convert the numbers to either fractions or decimal. So let's convert them to fractions. Let's convert them to fractions. So a half. So we already have a half. So a half. So we write that just the way it is. Since we're converting to fraction, this doesn't change. And then 0.25, 25 over 100. And when we reduce that to its lowest term, it becomes a quarter. So 25 over 100, and we reduce it to a lower term, it becomes a quarter. We did that in a previous lesson. So this is 1 over 4. And we have this in fraction already, 3/4. And then 38 over 100. over 100. Now we have to do one more step because we have different denominator. So a half is 0.50. So it's 0. Put it down here. 0.50. That is a half. A quarter. Oh no, I'm sorry. Remember, we're bringing them to fractions. So the highest, the common denominator is 100. A half is 50 over 100. Sorry about that. A quarter, 25 over 100. 3/4, 75 over 100. And then this remains 38 over 100. So we have brought all of them to fractions, and we have all the denominators. We brought all the fractions to the same denominators. So now let's go and order them. We can do either. So let's do from least to greatest. From least to greatest, that would be 25 over 100. So that is 0.25. So remember, when we're ordering them, we're just going to write them in their original form. So we're saying least to greatest. Okay. Least to greatest. So least to greatest, 25 over 100, that is 0.25. Next, 38, which is 0.38. And then we have 38, we have 50 over 100, which is a half, 1/2, and then we have 75 over 100, which is 3/4. And there you have it, ordering fractions and decimals. Ordering fractions and decimals. I hope you find this very helpful. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. So this is least. Let's put it in a different color. Least to greatest. So least is 0.25. Next, 0.38. Next, 1/2. And next, 3/4. Okay, that looks a little better. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.